Scooter of the week, yeah.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host, Greg. And this week we have the Raptor 2. This is made by Pride Mobility. It's under their Baja Mobility line. I'll start off with my thoughts on what I think about this scooter. It is classified as a heavy-duty scooter, but I classify it more as like a community scooter, something you would use to, ride around your neighborhood, because it's a bigger scooter, really heavy. If you wanted to travel with it, you would need a very large carrier or some way, to be able to transport it. So to me, it's more of a community scooter, similar to like a golf cart, something you would use with that. Even though this is kind of more designed for, flat surfaces. But anyways, the Raptor 2 4-wheel, this has a very, very high speed, top speed of 13 miles per hour. So it's meant to be fast, but it also has a capacity of 400 pounds. So you've got some great speed. It has a wonderful memory foam captain seat with sliders, a 3-inch slider back and forth, so you can adjust yourself there. Your full LED lighting package, suspension, excellent stuff like that, as well as an XLR USB charger. You can charge your electronics with that. 16-inch pneumatic tires. Pneumatic gives it that softer feel going over, some rougher terrain. So another really great feature of this scooter. What else do we got on this? Let's see. I'm going to show you going over the speed. Range. So at 200 pounds or under, you can get about 21.2 miles per charge. So it has a huge driving range, and about 15 miles per charge at that 400, pound weight capacity. So either way, it's got a great driving range. You've got that great speed, great weight capacity, excellent memory foam captain seat. You'll love this scooter. If you're in the Austin area, come by, test it out. We have one waiting for you. If not, find one to test out. But call us first. We'll make you a great deal on it. AutoMobility store, we're at 800-431-3183.